Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. I found some more goodies and let me show you what I found at my Dollar Tree this week. This week I found some cardboard bags. Look at that, aren't they cute? So adorable. I picked up the little ones here. These are, let me measure it for you right quick. 4.5 by about 5.5. Cute little size. I plan to DIY these, so I picked up a couple of those each. I also picked up another one of these signs here. It says a spooky witch and her boo haunt here. I needed another one of these for my project. I also picked up 2 more bags of black Chanel stems. And I needed some erasers. I was running low. I found these. They're really cute. They come in different packagings. Look at that. But the erasers are all the same. So I bought 3 of these. And I put a couple of them on my pencils. Look at that. Cute, huh? And I also was happy I checked at my Dollar Tree this week. I found, finally, after all this time, my fabrics. Look at that. That is so cute. And then the other one I picked up was this one. The black kitties. So cute. I love those. I also found some eyeballs. Look at that. And let's give it a try. Okay, here we go. There is no switch, but there is an on and off on the back side, so the arrow points this way for on. Oh, no. Let's try this one. I may have gotten a defective one. No? Okay. Hold on. Maybe I can pry it apart. Let's see what. Because I do see the battery in there. But there's, you know how it has that little tab sometimes? I don't see. Let me fiddle with this. Hold on. So I grabbed my craft knife. Let me see if I can pry this apart. Because I'm sure it pops apart because somebody had to put the battery in. Oh, maybe this one will be easier. Oh, here we go. Oh, look. It has a little battery safety seal there. Okay. Now to put it back together. Oops. Okay. Not sure on all the way. I think I got a defective one. It won't stay on. I finally got it on. Look at that. It's the eyeball. Gotta be quiet just to see the eyeballs. Interesting. I like it. Cute. Now, I also, while at the Dollar Tree, I picked up a garland. I picked up this one here. And I wanted these skulls here. This is what caught my eye. I was hoping that they would be like glow in the dark, but I think I can make it work for my project. So that was why I bought this garland. I also picked up another garland. I picked up 3 of these because I want the kitties inside. And I'm pretty sure this has, it says Happy Halloween. But like I said, I just want the kitties from there. And then I picked up this tablecloth. And that's what it looks like. And open it up right quick for you. This is what it looks like. The pattern does repeat itself, so that right there is like right there is the repeating pattern. And then open it up, and that's what you have, which is really cute too. I like the skull and the crossbones. And I bought this tablecloth for a DIY purpose. And while I was there, I also picked up some more lights. These are the LED taper lights, and they are flickering flame, and it requires 2 AAA batteries, and you get 240 hours of light on one candle. So this one I opened up and I put a battery in there. So you have to twist this like that. See there? Oop, too much. Okay, let me try that again. Oops, there we go. Look at that. See how it flickers? Really cute. And then just got the rubber stopper on there to help twist the turn it on and off. It's really cute. For $1, I'm willing to unscrew on and off them all. And then I also picked up some harvest items while I was at the dollar store. Our favorite Dollar Tree. Now, I was worried for a minute there. My Dollar Tree kept getting the same items over and over, but finally we had some new items. I am really happy that we got new items. I picked up this DI rock. It says thankful, and it's a pumpkin there. Look at that. Another future project. I also, while I was there, I picked up these, it's called paint set. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it comes with the paint. It comes with a little paint set. I bought 2 of these. Now, when I was opening them and checking them, I noticed this. Look at that. The image on this one is off. So I am glad I picked up 2. So, you know. And it does have Happy Harvest littered. But I will be removing the glitter. And put that aside. And then I also picked up this one. Now this one says color your own decor. And it comes with the little markers. And this one says Fall Fever. I like this one. It's really cute. I also picked up a couple of fairy items. Look at that. I picked up this little hut. I like it. It's really detailed. I'm happy with this. And I picked up the harvest truck. They all need a little DIY loving, but I'm willing to work with that. And the last item I picked up for this week was the tablecloth. It's a harvest tablecloth and it has the leaves on there. And the only thing is I did not pay attention to the size when I picked it up because I was mainly after the image on the tablecloth. And I did pick up an oval size, so I do need to return this and get a rectangle one. So I have the most usage out of my tablecloth. And then these are the patterns and sizes that it comes in if you're wanting a tablecloth. So those are the items that I found at my local Dollar Tree this week. I am happy with my purchase, and I hope that I am able to help you in deciding what items you may want to pick up this week also. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.